What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about gold once again, and I did some more research over the weekend, and last Friday I found a little bit more of a pattern on gold and the longer term setup. So on the monthly chart right here on the right side of my screen, I was looking into it and I noticed we have a massive pattern forming, which is called the cup and handle. So we have the cup right here, and now we are starting to form a handle, and we're possibly breaking out anytime soon, next week, or maybe at the end of this week, end of this month, so that we can get the monthly candle breakouts for May. So anytime we get the candle close above this downtrend resistance right here, we will start breaking out higher. So we're going to dig a little bit deeper into the smaller time frames now. So over here we have the handle on my weekly chart. If we zoom in, we are pretty much just forming a descending channel right here, and now we are starting to pretty much touch the top of the channel right here, channel resistance, and now we are pretty much sitting right on the 50 moving average on my weekly chart. If we zoom in a little more, we're starting to make that decision and see if we can break above or break and get rejected back down. So if we dig in a little more on the daily chart, we are showing some signs of a possible breakout in probably the next week or so. On the daily chart, we have the 200 moving average over here, the yellow line. That is going to be my 200 moving average. So the next few days, or maybe this week, upcoming week right here, we should be able to see if we can break above this 200 moving average for break higher, because this 200 moving average line is pretty much the spotlight for where we can break if we go down or we go up. So anything above this 172.55 weekly resistance, we're going to start pushing higher towards this 173.67 200 moving average resistance. And if we can start pushing above this and hold this estimate 200 for the rest of this month all the way through May, at the end of May, we're going to start breaking out higher, slowly melt up all the way to 179 and 183.51, and back all the way to 190. So gold is something to keep an eye on for the next few weeks, maybe next couple months, as of right now, because of inflation and banks and all that rotation through tech sector and everything. So gold is something that we're going to keep an eye on, and right now we do have some decisions on it. We have GDX and gold calls right now all the way through July. So if this plan does not work out, that's fine. We're going to cut our calls on gold, and we will wait a little longer. But right now it's looking good so far. It's really promising. We're forming a ascending channel inside this daily chart, and we're starting to show a breakout out of the handle on the weekly chart right here. Very, very close to breaking out. But in my opinion, for this upcoming week of May 17th, we will probably break out over here above this channel resistance. So keep an eye on it. This pattern of the cup and handle on the monthly chart is something we should not ignore, especially when we have oversold indicators on the handle. So we have a cup right here, we have the handle, and we have the stock RSI very oversold on this handle right here. So it looks like we have a lot of room to move upside back towards 190s possibly, and there's very bullish indicators showing right here. So keep an eye on it. Above the 200 moving average on the daily chart on gold, things will start to get moving on gold, start pushing higher towards 179, and then all the way back to 183.51 and 190s area. So do not miss this. Add this to your watch list, and just keep watching and see if we can break the S&P 200 or not. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you're not in my Discord, I recommend you joining it. If you are new, especially, so if you can learn a lot of new stuff in there, educational tools, channels, questions tab. Anybody can help you in there. Follow my Twitter if you are not following it, and also join my Facebook group at Stock Options with Cole, and I'll see you there. All the links for my social media will be below in the description. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.